Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a creamy garlic butter salmon. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need about 2 pounds of salmon fillets, some salt and pepper, and then about 3.5 cups of spinach. And then you're going to need about 7 garlic cloves that are minced, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of butter, and then you're also going to need 2 teaspoons of chopped parsley for garnish, 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of chicken broth, and then you're also going to need 1 small onion that's diced, about 6 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes in the oil, and then 2.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is patting down the salmon with a paper towel, and this helps it get a nice crust when you pan sear it. Then I'm going to go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. First I'm going to season the top, and then I'm going to flip it over and season the bottom. I went ahead and preheated my pan, and now I'm going to be adding the olive oil, and once the olive oil becomes hot, I'm going to go ahead and add the salmon fillets. So I'm going to be pan searing it on each side for about 4 minutes, or once you start to see that white color move almost all the way to the top, then it's ready to flip over. Once the salmon is all cooked, now I'm going to go ahead and just take the salmon out and place it on a platter and set aside. And in the same pan, I'm going to go ahead and add the butter. And once the butter melts, I'm going to be adding the onions and garlic. Once the onions are translucent, I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken broth and stir that together for a few minutes. And once I stirred that in for a few minutes, now I'm going to reduce the heat and I'm going to add the sun-dried tomatoes, and I'm going to mix that in. And then I'm going to be adding the heavy whipping cream. Once the heavy whipping cream comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese and mix that in very well. After mixing the Parmesan, now I'm going to go ahead and add the spinach, and once the spinach cooks down a little bit, I'll be seasoning with a little bit of salt and pepper. And over here I have some cornstarch mixed in with water, and this is optional. This is just to make the sauce a little thicker. Once the sauce thickens, I'm going to go ahead and just add the salmon fillets back into the sauce, and then I'm going to be topping the salmon fillets off with the sauce, and then I'll be garnishing with some parsley. And now the salmon fillets are ready to serve. This goes great with a side of asparagus or even some broccoli, or it even goes great with rice. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.